finally charged this after like not charging it for like, I'd say 6 months. And I have to say, I find myself to be very attractive with power tools. I bet you're wondering why I'm going to be using this, so keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you leave me some comments so I can know what's on your mind. Anyway, today I'm coming back again with another herb video, as if you needed another one. But I don't know how many more times I need to say that you guys should be planting your own herbs, especially in quarantine. You have the time. You have a lot of time to do a lot of things. I mean, you could actually have your own garden. So, today I want to actually introduce 2 additional herbs to my family. As you can see here, I have some great ones already. I have my little basil plant named Basil. As you guys know, you better have watched my last video. I have my thyme plant named Thyme. The thyme plant, I have to be honest with you guys, I read something online that said that he was drought resistant, and I tested it. And I have to say, I don't think it's drought resistant because I decided not to water him, and I think he's on his way out, but I did prune him a little bit today, and I'm hoping that he'll be able to survive, but who knows. In addition to that, I have these 2 green onions that have been literally rocking with me for about a month. And as you guys know, I have my little mint that's hanging out, and make sure you check out my mint propagation video so you can find out how you can grow wild mint in your house. But I want to introduce 2 new peeps to the fam. Rosemary, also known as rosemary, but also because I can't just go to the store and just buy one herb, I bought oregano, and I will tell you, I don't use oregano that often, but I just couldn't resist. Okay, so before I get started with planting my herbs, I do want to provide you guys with 2 different disclaimers. First disclaimer is I am wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a tube top because it is 85 degrees outside and I refuse to put my air conditioner on because first of all, I have a lot of tropical plants in my house, 15 plus, and I think they honestly like the warm air that's flowing through the window, so I'm letting them live their best life. And second of all, I am a work in progress in terms of becoming a plant mom, so I am learning as I go. I do heavily rely on YouTube, Google, and other different plant blogs, Pinterest, you name it, to be able to educate me on how to become an herbalist, if that's the word. I don't even think that's the word. I think that like herbalist is used for like someone who's like seriously like into herbs. But anyway, I do use blogs and things like that to find out my information in terms of like what can be planted together and what can't be planted together. Make sure that before you jump into something like this, like an herbal garden, you want to make sure that you have all the tools and resources necessary to be able to grow it. So that way, you know, you have a successful garden. Like I know that herbs like a lot of sun. Again, just make sure you do your research because there's a possibility that the herb that you want to grow might not like sun, it might like shade. So you just want to make sure you do your research so that way you know what you're getting yourself into. But like I said, I did do research on like being able to plant certain herbs together. I wanted to plant all of them together because I thought it would be like really cute, the diversity in one pot, but like, you know, upon learning, I learned that I cannot do that. So that's the reason why I'm actually gonna be taking 3 out of the 5 that I have growing right now, or 3 out of the 6 rather. I'm gonna let them grow, and then some of them are gonna be staying in their independent containers because they need to thrive that way. Okay, so I wanted to point out that on most like store-bought plants, they have directions on the plastic bag that it comes in. So if you're really someone who doesn't feel like doing the research, but you want to commit yourself to something that you're not even aware of yet, just look at the back of the bag, okay? Because it literally says, enjoy fresh or add to your dish at the final moments of whatever. But anyway, it also says, this living herb will continue to grow with bright light and once a week watering until the water runs through the soil. So that's how you take care of the oregano. And then you wanna like make sure you're looking at the other plastic bag to see like what it has. And I had thrown it all the way back here because I was trying to be, you know, cool. But this one also says like to grow in bright light, once a week watering until the water runs through the soil. So there you go. It's pretty simple. You just have to follow directions and then I promise you, you'll be successful. All right, so this is just a quick close-up of the herbs I'm gonna be planting today. I am so excited, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm out on my patio now because I didn't want to make a mess in my house like I normally do. If you watch my last video, you know how clumsy I can get. So I brought all my herbs out here and I have my potting mix. But before I do that, I have to make sure that I create a good draining system inside of this flowering rectangle thing because herbs need to be able to not sit in water. That really goes for a lot of plants. Like they like to have a nice decent draining system, and this container actually didn't come with holes at the bottom, so I don't want to kill my plant before it even had the chance to survive. So I'm actually going to drill. That's the reason why I had these power tools. So I'm just going to drill some holes. So there you go. I cracked it a little bit. That's okay. I only bought this for like $7, so no big deal. But there's the hole so the draining can happen. All right. Now I'm going to take my little soil cup and I'm going to put my soil in there. I'm doing this all over me. I don't know why I have to be such a messy person. I really don't. All right, so that's it for the soil. Everything looks nice and pretty. And now I'm just gonna dig a hole. Take my thyme plant out first. Actually, I'm just gonna poke him like that. Look how dry he is. I'm so sorry, buddy. All right, I'm just gonna put him right there. Hopefully he survives, who knows, because I haven't been watering him. Because like I said before, I thought he was drought resistant. That was a lie. I think that these roots are kind of off the bottom of the oregano. All right, come on, buddy. Roots. And do the rosemary. It smells so good. Your pretty herb garden. And there you go. All done. Okay guys, so perfect addition to any patio or deck. This is how it looks. Rosemary, oregano, and my thyme. And I'm just gonna leave it outside for now. It's so cute. Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming to my channel and for watching my video. I apologize for the mess in the background. I am actually in the process of completely redecorating or doing some home improvement to my home. For those of you who have been here before, you know that my house has been a cross between bohemian and also floral. So I have like floral over here, but I have bohemian over here. And it doesn't make any sense, so I'm gonna be doing some work to make everything become aligned again. So I just wanted to say, again, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'll make sure I write some information in the description box so you guys know where I bought my plants from and how to just do some general plant care. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments. Make sure you share the video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that like button to show me some love. All right, well, happy planting. And remember, plants are always a friend, especially when you don't have anybody to talk to. So you might want to go ahead and invest in some plants. All right, peace. I'm gonna go because I keep sweating and I'm just like over this at this point. Okay, peace, bye.